Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do YouTube videos and how-to videos on how to grow on YouTube. So if you like this channel, please subscribe, leave a comment or a like, and keep watching. So on this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to use TikTok to actually grow your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be using the app TikTok. I've downloaded it already, and I'm going to show you how to promote your YouTube channel on TikTok. So we're going to talk about first, why should you promote your channel on TikTok? How do you promote your channel on TikTok? And how you can share those TikTok videos onto other social media platforms. So basically, TikTok is like exploding right now. It's in the news. They want to cancel it. People want to still use it. So TikTok has about, I think, 1.2 billion downloads of the app so far. People are putting up new TikToks every day. People scroll continuously through their TikTok for hours and hours. There's actually a joke on TikTok about people starting to scroll on TikTok in the morning and then suddenly waking up and they're like, oh my God, it's like nighttime. So you want to be on TikTok so you can get more viewers to watch your YouTube video or to like point to your YouTube channel so that you can get more views and more subscribers. What you want to do is you want to take some clips from your YouTube channel, the best clips that you have, save them onto your camera roll for your phone, and then you want to open the TikTok app, and then you want to upload those clips. So if you go to my TikTok, and I will actually show it, insert here. A video of sneakers that I was trying to promote on YouTube, but I was promoting them through my TikTok page. And I noticed I got a ton of views because it had really cool sampled music that we could use for TikTok. And I used slow motion and it had like really cool aesthetics, and you could see text and you can put links to your videos and do a whole bunch of really cool graphics and things like that. And it was really easy to use the app, and I just pressed save, and then I was able to save it to my Instagram, to Facebook, to Twitter, whatever, wherever you wanted to put it. I think I even saved it to like Blogger. So I had all those different opportunities to share one YouTube video or to like point to one YouTube video outside of YouTube. TikTok videos are usually quick clips that are funny or quirky, and you want to get people to watch. So use bright colors, fast music, or you do something that's like comedy or a skit or something like that to get people to continue to watch over and over and over again. I'm going to actually now just go to my screen to show you how you actually make a TikTok video and how you can share it. So this video has been how to make a TikTok video and to turn your TikTok followers into YouTube views. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.